Hi guys, welcome back to our channel, How Logical. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into your OneAxis employee account. So, without further ado, let's jump right into the video. Firstly, make sure that you have a stable internet connection. Once you do that, go to your default browser and search OneAxis employee login. After you make search, just scroll down a little bit and you'll find OneAxis Employee Self-Service Portal. Just click here. Now, you will be redirected to this login portal where you simply have to enter your employee code, password and CAPTCHA given on the screen and sign in. In case you forget your password, you can click this link and reset it. That's it for today guys. If you find this video helpful, then don't forget to give thumbs up, comments with feedbacks are appreciated, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that I can come up with new videos like this. Until then, have a good time.